Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about my browless brows. We're jumping right in with this Ardell Brow Pomade in dark brown, and as you can see, I'm mapping out the bottom line of my brow, and then I'm mapping out the top line just as you would do as if you had natural brows. Here you see me marking what will be my natural brow hairs if I had them, just so I know where I'm going to stop near the inner corner of my eye. And as you can see, we're just filling them in really well here. And just so you know, fun fact, I don't use any primer before I do my brows. I do it after, because if I put any primer or any foundation on before I do my brows, nothing sticks for me. The color isn't as pigmented, my brows don't stay on as well or as long, because with everything down, they kind of slide all over the place and just it doesn't stay as long. So if you don't have a lot of brow hair, or you have no brows like myself, do not prime first and do not put your brows on over foundation. And if your pigment isn't as strong as you'd like it to be, make sure you're doing your brows first as well. Here we are, just going with my favorite concealer and favorite concealer brush and just cleaning up these edges and making sure the shape is exactly where I wanted. That way when I put down my brows, if there is any mistakes, if I made the wrong shape, I can see it with my concealer and clean it up perfectly just the way I like it. Another thing I really like to do when I'm doing my brows is the front part of your brow is usually a little bit thinner than the rest, and since I can't really do individual hairs really well, my face, I like to go in with my concealer right on the front and just thin out that pomade just a smidge so it looks a little bit tapered or maybe faded in evenly right on the top front part of my brows, as you can see here. And here you have it, the finished brow. Just so you can see the difference between no brow and brow. I really like having no brows just because I'm able to open up my eyes as much as I want and have more space compared to my natural brows. Anyways, I hope you guys learned something from this and you're able to take something away from it, even though it's not a natural brow. Thanks so much for hanging. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye-bye! Sweet talking dirty on the floor. Look like an honest copy paste.